Hey fam, we're here out in Arcata. I got my road dog Rich with me, and we're about to do some drone flying, and hopefully I'm allowed to fly here. Oh man. God damn it, it doesn't have the SD card. Okay, so I always do this. Rich knows that I always do this, that I always forget the SD card in the drone, and now I just busted a nail, so
Oh,
fun. I know,
damn!
right? So yeah, that's what's going on. Let me see if I can find an SD card. Alright, here we are out and I don't know where we are. Soames Bar, some little tiny place. Here's a bunch of information. Feel free to pause the video at any time to read the information. But the coolest thing is this phone booth that they have here. So it's like, you've got the phone booth and like another one. Do they both work? Let's see. That one works and it has a phone number. That one does not work. Maybe you gotta dial like *89 for collect calls. But it's super cool. Just like the whole, I don't know, they don't make them like that anymore. And I guess like people don't do that anymore. So that's the phone number if you want to call this one. And then here's the other cool tag that I saw. Which is so funny because like, you know, we're out here in the middle of nowhere. Leos suck. Leo is short for law enforcement officer, just in case you're not versed. Alright, so while driving past, I saw this pole. I thought it was like some Indian artifact. And it's super awesome. I mean, I think that's definitely Native American. Sorry, Native American. I don't know why I can't. But yeah. It was just beautiful, and I figured I had to get a shot of it up closer to show you guys. That's the Salmon River down there, and some sort of cool pole on the side of the road. Alright, we're driving past this little waterfall wall thing, and I just could not help but stop. We are probably not going to get home anytime soon just because, but like, this thing is just too beautiful to not stop and see. So yeah, I'm going to get a 4K shot, and there'll probably be like an ultra high 4K like release from this. It'll just be a short little advertisement, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing out here anymore. So yeah, cool stream.